Hey guys, here comes my first experience in the kitchen. So when I was younger, I was little bit more into studying, so I did not get that much of time to explore my cooking skills. And also my grandparents insisted that I am too young to learn cooking, unlike other girls in India. So for many years, they only allows me to observe them. Like while cooking, I used to observe my mom in the kitchen, and I studied how she prepared the ingredients, how she chopped the vegetables, and salute the spices, and stirred it all together every now and then. She always said that mixing is also important to make sure the evenness of taste. However, there were also not so good kitchen moments, but there was a time that the fire became very big right after that sizzling the chilies, and it scared me to be in the kitchen. Like I was so scared, but I learned how to cook then. But since then, I did not really want to go further than just watching. It took about a decade for me to overcome my fear of fire, I would say. So when I was already 18, my grandparents finally allowed me to start cooking on my own. However, I had to ask them or my brother to open the stove for me. I never needed to use recipe guides or cookbooks as such. I have learned by careful observation for many years. And then, since I started cooking, it was easy to even make up my own new recipes and unique dishes, I would say. That is what I learned more and I learned the most about cooking. Like, you can make it an art and as a hobby wherein to express your creativity. After several years of experience in the kitchen, I can now say that I became foodie because I am able to prepare all the Indian dishes. Yeah. Nevertheless, I will not forget my first experience in the kitchen where I started and how my knowledge and skills developed. How I simply watched and waited. I overcame my fears, how I loved and excellent in cooking and be an excellent in cooking. I wish that someday the whole world could be just like the kitchen to me. That even though today I am learning and I am observing and lacking in my knowledge, held back, battling with some apprehensions and uncertainty, waiting for approval of higher people for me to take responsibility of greater things. Someday I will conquer all places I go to, being the master of every space I walk through time, cooking my life according to my heart's own desires and dreams. Indeed, the whole world could be just like the kitchen or whatever it is you are excelling right now. You got there because you started somewhere, right? All successful people started in the same place of humble beginnings. So I would say just start, get up onto your foot, feet, whatever it is that you are deliciously cooking right now or making for yourself, for your career, for your future. It does not mean that you know all at every first day. You can duplicate your success in other areas of your life by applying the formula you used for what you already achieved. So that's all about my first experience in the kitchen and somewhat knowledge about life and all. So right now I am signing off. Take care. Bye bye.